still.
Okay.
Then
what, Kenzie?
It's not gonna hurt. It's not gonna hurt.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna be gentle to you.
What are you gonna do to me?
I'm trying to be gentle to you. It's not gonna hurt.
Why are you giving her your bottom, Cooper?
It's gonna be okay.
Oh my goodness.
No! No! Have a seat!
Kenzie, Dr. Kenzie, I don't think Cooper wants to be your patient right now.
Okay. Now